Hey guys, it's Gautam here, and I'm going to give you some fun facts about the solar system. So let's get started. First, we need to know what makes the solar system. The solar system consists of the 8 planets, comets, moons, and don't forget the star. If you have trouble remembering the planets in order, you can use a very simple poem called a mnemonic. The first letter of each word, highlighted in red, represents the first letter of each planet. So it reads, "My very energetic mother just serves us noodles." The Sun. The Sun lies in the heart of the solar system, where it is about 1 million times the size of Earth, making it the largest object in it and in the sky. It holds about 99.8% of the solar system's total mass. The Sun is also our nearest star and is made out of hydrogen and hot plasma. The terrestrial planets. The terrestrial planets are also known as the rocky planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are also separated by the gas giants from a thin disk of asteroids called the asteroid belt. We are now approaching the first planet in the solar system. Mercury is one of the 5 planets visible with the naked eye and 3 times smaller than Earth, making it the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury also doesn't have an atmosphere, so it can't trap the essential heat. So that's why one side is a scorching 470 degrees, while the other side is a shivering minus 180. Did you know 1 year in Mercury is only 88 Earth days? Yes, Mercury is so close to the Sun that 1 year is only 1/4 of Earth's year. Venus. Now we come to the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is the second brightest natural object in the sky after the Moon and the hottest planet in the solar system. It has an atmosphere 3 times stronger than ours, making it temperatures rise up to 520 degrees. Venus also doesn't have any moons, although scientists still don't know why. Did you know that Venus is called Earth's sister because the size is so similar alike? Their diameter has a difference of only 700 kilometers. Earth, our home planet. Earth is the only planet in our solar system to support life, and it will eventually get consumed by the sun, so enjoy it while it lasts. Earth can also give a spectacular light show in the North and the South Pole. They are called the auroras and are caused due to the Earth's strange magnetic field. Did you know Earth is the most densest planet in the solar system due to its strong gravitational force? So, Earth is the only planet in the solar system not to be named after the Roman god. Our humble moon. The moon was made when a rock the size of Mars smashed into Earth, and a chunk of it formed the moon. But this happened 4.5 billion years ago, so none of us were able to see this. And also, only 11 people landed on the moon, and surprisingly, all of them are American. And did you know that the moon's gravitational pull is so strong that it slows the Earth by 20 seconds every 1 million years? So, in 180 million years, there would be 25 hours in a day, not 24. And did you know that you weigh 1/6 of the weight on the moon. So if you weighed 30 kilograms on Earth, you'd weigh only 5 on the moon. That's why astronauts can jump so high there. Mars, the red planet. Mars is called a red planet due to its brownish red surface and the poisonous gases in its atmosphere. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the last of the terrestrial planets. Mars is also named after the Roman god of war. And did you know that in the future Mars can support life? Yes, Mars will get a suitable atmosphere and water in the future. And also, Mars caused the collision of the asteroid to hit Earth due to its stronger gravity. Surprisingly, the asteroid missed and headed for a collision course to Earth. The asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is a torus-shaped region located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. There are about 1.9 million asteroids in the asteroid belt, larger than 1 kilometer in diameter, and millions of smaller ones. It is also home to one of the 5 dwarf planets. The gas giants. A gas giant, also known as a Jovian planet, is 10 times the mass of Earth. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter. Jupiter is easily the most largest and massive planet in the solar system. If you put it on one side of the weighing scale and the 7 other planets on the other side, it will easily outweigh them all. Jupiter also has the shortest day of the 8 planets, as it turns on its axis once every 10 hours. Jupiter also has a confirmed 79 moons orbiting the planet, and one of the moons, called Ganymede, is larger than one of our own planet, Mercury. Did you know there's a raging storm on Jupiter called the Great Red Spot? It's like a normal hurricane, like on Earth, winds going at about 250 miles per hour, but it's about 2 times Earth's size. Saturn. Saturn has a beautiful display of rings which are made of rock and ice. This is a unique feature which none of the other planets have. It's also one of the 5 planets visible with the naked eye and the 5th most brightest. Saturn has the fastest winds of any planet in our solar system, as they have been measured to go at 1,800 kilometers per hour. And did you know, if you put Saturn in the biggest bathtub of all time, it will surprisingly float, unlike the other planets. Even Mercury would sink. And also, Saturn is now the reigning planet to have the most moons because it has 82 of them, as 20 of them were found in 2020. Uranus, named after the father of the Roman god Saturn, is the 7th planet in the solar system and 3rd most massive. Uranus is tilted at a 98 degrees angle, which means the poles are along the equator, the left and the right. Scientists believe that a planet the size of Earth collided with it, which changed its axis. Did you know Uranus has the most rings in the solar system? It has 13 of them, which is about 9 more than Saturn. Neptune, the 8th planet in our solar system, is also the coldest. It's the 4th most massive and takes control of the Kuiper belt. It's like the asteroid belt, but 20 times thicker. Without Neptune, the edge of the solar system would go haywire. And did you know that 1 year on Neptune is 165 Earth years? It's so far away from the sun that it's about 165 times longer than Earth here. So if you lived there, you would still be a baby. The Kuiper belt. It's also known as the edge of Kuiper belt, and it's a disk around the outer edge of the solar system, extending from the orbit of Neptune to the edge of the solar system. There are about 35,000 Kuiper belt objects, which are larger than 100 kilometers in diameter, and is also home to one of the 4 out of 5 dwarf planets. But they deserve their own video. But that's it for now, and don't forget to watch more of my videos.